Howdy folks, Nathan Trevor, and it's Dad's Rip Packs. And here's something called the Mega Mystery Power Box. And I was at Walmart and I found this thing, and you know, I think this is the pack you want. And a lot of it's just a bunch of stuff they're trying to get rid of. But we're gonna find out, and that'll be fun. So let's rip this thing. Yes. All right. And I watched a couple videos, and there's a card loose sliding around right now inside here. So, ooh, there it is, 2021 update. Nice, that'll be fun. And ooh, 2021 autograph and relic card. Look for. Ooh, that's a good sign. Yes. Oh, there's the card. Oh, they're flopping around. How good could they be? Connor Joe. All right, purple. Connor Joe, purple parallel. It's going on the stand. Right next to my Halloween cat. There we go. And there's another one at the bottom. Check it out. Ooh, okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, 2022 series. We'll open them from newest to oldest. Topps 2023 update. Ooh, skinny pack. Ooh, Bowman 2023. And another one. Ooh, Bowman Draft 2020. Ooh, Topps Chrome 2022. This is the most fun I've ever had. I've had a lot of fun opening cards. Oh. Okay, the card's stuck. Another one, 2023. Ooh, look for autograph or relic. That'd be fun. Big League Baseball. Ooh, Xander Bogaerts and Marcus Semien, All-Star Game. Another Big League Baseball and another Big League Baseball. So there's only one more. And who's it gonna be? Ooh, wow. Opening day. Ooh, it's bent. No wonder. These guys, holy smokes. Oh, it's destroyed. Okay, well, you know. It's a pretty cool card. March 31st, 2022. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. opening day. And that's a picture of him. Looks like he's hitting a home run, but maybe we can salvage this one, but that corner's pretty dinged up. Anyway, I'm gonna sleeve it and, you know, put it on the stand. And there we go, Vladdy Daddy. Here we go. Oh my, Tony Gonsolin. Sure I didn't say that correct. Mackenzie Gore. Joe Ryan. Ooh, Ronald Acuna Jr. And there's Gonsolin. Big League. All right. Nolan Jones. Vinny Pasquantino. Ooh, Jeremy Pena. And there's a foil. So nice. Got a parallel. I guess it's nice. Wouldn't it be nice? Oh no, not again. Oh. No. Special here. Ooh, look. It's another one. Kyle Tucker. And bye-bye. Now it's Bowman Draft 2020. I suppose we could find something real fun here. But I never opened any of these before. Ooh. See if there's anything cool looking on the side. No. Just base cards. Ooh, wait. Ooh. Ooh, we got a parallel. Xavier Edwards. That's Ryan Jensen. Max Meyer on special edition. Nice. All right, Miami Marlins. All right, we got a special card. And I'm not even putting that thing up there. But, all right, there we go. Past all that stuff. Let's go to the first awesome pack. And you know what? Only one chrome. I'm going to go to the chrome. Right? Bowman, Bowman, Topps, 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 Topps. All right. We'll go Topps Chrome, Bowman, Bowman, and then we'll finish off with Topps. Connor Joe, let's go. Cat Nose. DJ LeMahieu. Eloy Jimenez. Ooh, there's a parallel and a rookie card. Luke Williams. And here we go. Joey Votto. Sweet. Ooh, that's awesome looking. Gee. All right, that's going on the stand. All right. Nice. All right, that was fun. And first, you know, pretty sweet pull, although I guess that's good if it wasn't broken. Here we go. Bowman 2023. And who's this? Is that Holiday? Or somebody else? Kerstad? No. I don't know. I don't know what they look like so perfectly. Ooh, couple cool ones back there. But Harper, O'Neal Cruz, Josh Jung, CJ Abrams, Jose Abreu, Nolan Jones, Luis Robert, Roman Anthony, Jose Peroza, Lisandro Rodriguez. Here we go. Michael Delson, first Bowman. And Framey De Leon, first Bowman. All right, Bowman again. Let's go. Ooh, Dominguez. Nice. Jason Dominguez. Ooh, we got a good thing here. Ooh, a couple things here. Ooh, sweet. All right, let's get an autograph. Cruz, Young, Abrams. Ooh, same correlation. Abreu, Nolan Jones, Luis Robert. Ooh. Sights on September. Zach Veen. And it looks awesome, but I guess it's not that special. But cool. Edward Julian. Myro Shendrick. Martinez. Marco Cabrera. Oscar Colas. And ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, it's a little bit hurt right here. I'm gonna put this in a sleeve. Maybe that's a rookie. Actually, yeah, I think it must be. Because, what year was this one? 2022? And he's a rookie now. J-Dom. What do they call him? Monster? No, something like that. Connor Joe, time to go. J-Dom in the house. Although, you know what? Connor Joe, back again. All right. Next is 2021. What's this one? 2023, huh? Well, I'm jumping around, so... Oh, that was Bowman, that's why. I was opening up all the Bowman. Ooh, 2 packs. Awesome. Super awesome. 2 packs. Okay, you guys, look, this product was like $55. And I'm having so much fun. And I don't even want to open up these weird cards. You know, I want to open up 2024. But this is great. Joe Musgrove. Ooh, something here. Ronnie Garcia, Steve Cishek, Brian Garcia, ooh, Top Shelf, Catalysts Reunite, Rookie Debut, Pache, these are hard to read, Montas, Valaika, Josh Bell, ooh, upside down, that's a good sign. Ooh, we got something. No, maybe not. Rookie Debut, Dylan Carson. Now this is great, 86, Bo Bichette. Jose Ramirez. Ooh, this is something interesting. Bobby Dalbec on the rookie card. That's different. Stripling. Birdie. Hand. And there's the Musgrove. All right, you guys, I don't think there was anything special in there, but still fun. Update. It's 2021 update. You need something fun and valuable to make this purchase good. Trout. Next up, right here. And what are we ripping? Topps 2023 Series 1. Looking for autographs. Ooh, you got something cool. It's got a round, ooh, it's an ace. Oh, I've heard about those. Ooh, not exactly what you want, but still kind of fun. Jorge Mateo, Eli Morgan, Gavin Lux, Dominic Leone, Jose Ramirez, Sonny Gray, Juan Duran, Max Kepler. Here we go. H.A. Minter, Max Fried on the aces. All aces. It's a cool card. Give him that for sure. But Francisco Lindor, Stars of the MLB, Kershaw, Benintendi, Javier, Tom, and Marquez. All right, no stars yet, but we got a couple more bites at the apple. Let's go. So many cards, I'm getting tired. Ooh, look at this. What's this? It's Nolan Gorman, rookie card, and looks similar. Let's go. Purple goes up. And now for the pack. '23 Series 1. Boo. Oh man. These packs are not it. But let's just check this side first. Arenado. Nope. Nothing special. Okay, Nolan Jones, I guess that's okay. 5 cards, update series, Topps Update 2023. Okay. All cards before 2024. Not good. Bibby, rookie debut. But maybe the last pack with this crazy thing will save us. Uh-oh. Nope, it's just what I thought it was. That dumb thing. How funny. How do they get that in there? Uh-huh. All right, Marco Gonzalez, Spencer Turnbull, A Rosarena rookie. That's good. Mike Minor. Drew Smiley. Sean Manea. Luis Gill. Luke Weaver. Garrett Cole. Brandon Marsh. Brian Hayes, Future Stars. Jacob Stallings. Ernie Clement. Christian Javier. And here we go. Something fun. Flashiest feet. Ronald Acuna Jr. All right, and one more card. It's Byron Buxton, Stars of the MLB. All right, you guys, underwhelmed, but let me go through these cards one more time, and I will pull out anything else that I forgot to pull out. All right, folks, and here's the J-Dom, Votto, and Guerrero, and I took down Connor Joe and Nolan Gorman. And let's see who we should put there. We got some base rookies there. Rosarena, Young, Nolan Jones. Quite a few of these guys, actually. Rosarena. Bobby Dalbec, rookie card on the special. That's pretty good. Jose Ramirez, All-Star Game. Good player. Bo Bichette, nice 86. Rookie debut, Dylan Carson. So that's pretty cool. Mike Trout. Francisco Lindor, Max Fried, Nolan Arenado, Tanner Bibby, rookie, couple shiny ones here, Max Meyer on the special foil, maybe that goes on the stage, but Zach Veen, Acuna, and Buxton. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, giveaway. All right, let me find a giveaway. Oh, actually, you know what? I already have it. It's right here. It's Damian Easley, CJ Natowski, and Andres Torres. 3 autographs, and let's pick a winner right now. And the winner is Jason, Vermont Sports Guy. So nice win, Jason. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.